Today we got part 5. Finally get to take a break from digging post holes and build my first few gates. It was definitely a challenge without clamps, having to step on the wood while cutting it, but we got it done and doesn't look too bad. If you wait till the end, you'll see the driveway gate came out really good, even though we had to kind of custom build that one so it bifolds so our truck and car can fit in the driveway. But enjoy this part. We maybe have one or two more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.